Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023, Episode 2, 16th question. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT, has recently, in August 23, launched One District One Product, ODOP, wallet sale of articles of Rural Artisan Society, SARA's, Ajivika store in Dash. Options are A. Kolkata, West Bengal, B. New Delhi, Delhi, C. Mumbai, Maharashtra, D. Guwahati, Assam, E. Bengaluru, Karnataka. Time starts now. And the answer is B. New Delhi, Delhi. Next question. Which of the following personalities has recently, in August 23, launched Direct Benefit Transfer, DBT, in National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, NAPS, to encourage the participation of both corporates and young individuals towards apprenticeship training? Options are A. Piyush Goyal, B. Narendra Modi, C. Nirmala Sitharaman, D. Amit Shah, E. Dharmendra Pradhan. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Dharmendra Pradhan. Next question. Name the naval exercise that recently, in August 23, saw the participation of the Indian Navy in and United Arab Emirates, UAE, Navy in Dubai, UAE. Options are A. Exercise Khanzar, B. Exercise Ajaya Warrior, C. Exercise Zayed Talwar, D. Exercise Kakadu, E. Exercise Zair al-Bahar. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Exercise Zayed Talwar. Next question. In August 2023, Dash is India's only movie to enter it to the semi-finals of the Oscar Student Academy Awards, SAA, 2023. Options are A. Period. End of sentence, B. Writing with Fire, C. All That Breathes, D. Chhello Show, E. Champaran Mutton. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Champaran Mutton. Next question. Which country's men's hockey team has recently, in August 23, won the Asian Champions Trophy Chennai 2023 by defeating Malaysia? Options are A. China, B. India, C. Pakistan, D. Japan, E. South Korea. Time starts now. And the answer is B. India. Next question. Padma Shri awardee Professor Mr. Satyanarayana Rao passed away in August 2023. In which year did he receive Padma Shri Award for Science and Engineering? Options are A. 2020, B. 2022, C. 2009, D. 2010, E. 2012. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 2010. Next question. What was the theme of International Youth Day 2023 that was observed across the globe by the United Nations, UN's, on 12th of August 2023? Options are A. Safe Spaces for Youth, B. transforming education. C. Green skills for youth, towards a sustainable world. D. Intergenerational solidarity, creating a world for all ages. E. Youth engagement for global action. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Green skills for youth, towards a sustainable world. Next question. Name the state that has recently, in August 23, launched India's first agricultural data exchange, ADEX, and Agriculture Data Management Framework, ADMF. Options are A. Punjab, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Tamil Nadu, E. Karnataka. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Telangana. Next question. Which of the following points is incorrect with respect to the 77th Independence Day event held on 15th of August 2023? Options are A. The central government has organized the 77th Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi, Delhi with the theme Support Our Troops, Salute Our Troops under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations. B. In 2023, Prime Minister Modi has also introduced the Har Ghar Tiranga means every home, a tricolor campaign, encouraging the public to proudly hoist the tricolor flag on Independence Day. C. During the event, indigenous 105mm light field guns were used for the first time for ceremonial gun salute at Independence Day events. D. The President of India Draupadi Murmu has approved 1 President's Tat Rakshak Medal, PTM, and 5 Tat Rakshak Medals, TM, to the Indian Coast Guard, ICG, personnel. E. The President approved 76 Gallantry Awards to Armed Forces and Central Armed Police Forces, CAPF, personnel and awarded 53 personnel with Fire Service medals. Time starts now. And the answer is A. The central government has organized the 77th Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi, Delhi with the theme Support Our Troops, Salute Our Troops under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations. Next question. In August 2023, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority FRDI in coordination with the Dash statutory body/ministry has integrated the National Pension System (NPS) Statement of Transaction (SOT) with the Consolidated Account Statement (CAS). Options are A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Securities and Exchange Board of India, D. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, E. Employees Provident Fund Organization. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in August 23, unveiled its new logo The Vista at the rebranding event held in New Delhi, Delhi. Options are A. Air India, B. Indigo, C. Go First, D. SpiceJet, E. Akasa Air. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Air India. Next question. In August 2023, the Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation 2023 was awarded to Dash police personnel in recognition of their outstanding service in the investigation. Options are A. 110, B. 120, C. 140, D. 100, E. 135. Time starts now. And the answer is C. 140. Next question. Which country has recently, in August 23, appointed Anwar-ul-Haq Kakar as the 8th caretaker Prime Minister PM? Options are A. Israel, B. Pakistan, C. Turkey, D. Bangladesh, E. United Arab Emirates. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Pakistan. Next question. In August 2023, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, collaborated with the Aerial Delivery Research and Development Establishment, ADRDE, and conducted a series of drogue parachute deployment tests for the Gaganyaan mission at the Rail Track Rocket Sled, RTRS, facility in Dash, state/UT. Options are A. Karnataka, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Chandigarh, E. Kerala. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Chandigarh. Next question. In August 2023, Dash, Indian football player and former Indian captain passed away. Options are A. Subhash Bhaumik, B. Mahesh Gavali, C. Mohammad Habib, D. Pradeep Kumar Banerjee, E. Bhaichung Bhutia. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Mohammad Habib, D.